Hello everyone, welcome to another price action review on gold and silver. If you are trading gold, you need to have the chart of silver aligned together or stacked upon each other to make sure that the directional bias which you're choosing, the idea of your trade, is correct. Okay, because these two pairs, they feed off of each other with in relation to each other. So some of you have been asking me about the indicator, the days 2 degrees indicator of quarterly theory over here. So what you have to do first is come on to indicators tab. Okay, I guess I already have it over here, so let me remove it. Okay, now you have this chart right here. This is the indicator. Okay, by 2 degrees. You should save it if you want. You press and then it will be laid down in a new pane like this. If it comes to your chart like this, okay, if it comes to your chart like this, just do one thing, because this is the pane right here. You have to right click, move to new pane below. So now you have another chart. Got it? So what do we have here now? How do you navigate this chart? Just go on it, okay, and keep everything like this. These are the colors, and here you can choose whether you want the monthly cycle. If you're on the 4-hour time frame, you need the monthly cycle. Understood? If you are on the 1-hour time frame, which one do you need? Sorry, yeah, if you're on a 1-hour time frame, you need the weekly cycle. And if you're on a below the 1 hour, which one do you have? 15-minute time frame. Remember this, because it's really important that you understand time frame alignments. Okay, if you're on the 15-minute time frame, you need the daily quarters, because you need what are the daily quarters? Let me tell you guys what's the weekly, monthly, and the difference between these things. Monthly quarter simply means, the monthly cycle simply means the first week, second week, third week, and the fourth week. All right, first week accumulation, second week manipulation, third week distribution, and fourth week is what? Either continuation or reversal. All right, so this is for what? The monthly cycle. Weekly cycle is the days of the week: day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. Over here we don't have day 3 because it was a bank holiday, right? And then Fridays are not counted in this, so Fridays are always left blank in this indicator, so you don't have to get jumbled. Okay, the ideas are the same, right? This is Friday as of now, so this is it. Actually, this is the indicator which I wanted to speak to you about. Okay, let me just get a bit comfortable, because sorry. Okay, the video which I uploaded yesterday, right, I hope you guys saw it. If you didn't see it, the video will be tagged and the link would be pasted in the description. You should see that whatever I have discussed in my previous video regarding this FVG right here, okay, this was the FVG on gold, and this is the FVG on silver. We had a crack in correlation over here. This is the whole idea of why today price delivered lower, because yesterday we literally spoke of it. There is nothing like nothing to hide or anything, and it was it was spot on. Everything was spot on, perfect. We have yesterday's high right here, okay, and we have yesterday's high right here. Silver took out the previous day's high while gold failed to do so, right? And then what happened? We had price deliver lower in both the assets. This was a failure swing right here, right? Price delivered below on a 1 hour time frame. Change in the state of delivery as well as market structure shift, and we see the same thing over here. Now this is really crazy. Seriously, same thing which happened on the daily time frame, FVG in one asset FVG being filled and in another asset FVG not being filled, it happened on the 1 hour time frame. Same FVG, this was unfilled while this was filled. See the idea? And we delivered lower. Now both the trades, both the charts, they are delivering lower than the previous day's low, right? Currently you can see 938, right? Price is delivering back up. What do we have? We don't have a fair value gap over here, while one is already filled, right? This one is still unfilled. So on a 4 hour time frame, we'll go. Wait, I'm using the Ovendas chart, so I want to use forex.com. See these two right here? These two and these two right here. Over here, price is sweeping one asset's low, while over here price is failing to do so, which means gold, for me at least, this is the draw, right? Like short-term draw, while this is the long-term draw. Okay, but we are leaving a lot of liquidity over here, you can see right there. But at the same time, if we form a sequential SMT, right, on a monthly cycle, then only you can anticipate the coming week that price will move along higher to target these liquidities right here, and then delivering lower, just like I have mentioned yesterday. But at least whatever we discussed yesterday, right, in the video, that price will do exactly like this and then price delivered lower, right? If I'll go on the daily cycle, yep, let's see if you have a crack in correlation on the daily cycle on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, right there you have it. Asia, between Asia and London, right? This was the high and this is below. Whatever was available on the higher time frame is available on the lower time frame right in front of us, right? So this is how you start reading price, because once you have something, let's suppose you have a market structure shift or a normal SMT or a sequential SMT, then you know you have something to do in the markets. If you do not have these things, you simply have to wait. But that part of waiting for a setup to form, and the skill set which requires to do so is really tough. Like, it just mind-boggling, like those who achieve it. All right, now we have here what you can see on a 4-hour time frame. Let's go. We don't have a monthly. Let me just. So I hope you guys are understanding the way I'm navigating this indicator. Okay. And do not ask me again about the indicator in the comment section, because it's right there in the video, guys. Right. Yeah. So this is the 4th week. Okay. This is the low, right? We are literally taking away from the low of the same week, right there, into what? Into this range right here, this balanced price range, as well as this fair value gap. This remained unfilled from this, while this one's almost filled. Yep. So that's also another crack in correlation. Now, should you be taking anything as of now? For me, I don't see anything. For me, I don't see anything in terms of what? In terms of key levels being swept. Right. In terms of CRTs, let's go on a 15-minute time frame. It's the 3rd quarter, guys, so I don't think we'll see a reversal, because reversals are usually happening in the 4th quarter, meaning you'll see a partial sequential SMT. Remember the word partial sequential SMT. This is something which I have learned and I didn't teach yet. All right, because I don't want to give away everything right in one video. So this is the high, this is the high. Okay, I'm gonna post this video right away so you could see before the 4th quarter begins, before 12 o'clock NY, Eastern Standard Time. All right, so if you see, like, 2 things, right? 2 things. One, suppose on the 4th quarter, let me just teach you from here. Suppose in the 4th quarter you see this happening. All right, let me put a clean chart in front of you all. Right from here, and then we don't see price taking out this low of the 3rd quarter. Okay, if we see this right now, there would be a reversal. Okay, but if you do not see this, it will just be a continuation. How will you see if there will be a continuation of the market? Right there, this is the high of the 3rd quarter. Right, just wait for it. One asset will take the high, or maybe form SMT at the highs right there. Like this would be here. Right, so this is it. This is the whole idea. This would be the continuation. Got it? So I'm giving you out these things for free without, you know, any prejudice, so that you can learn. And soon I'm gonna announce how you can start trading with me. I've not yet announced it or thought of announcing it, because I've been occupied with some things, right? Because I need all my attention and all my time with you guys. Once I announce it, then I have to give all of my time to you and to teach you everything which I've already learned, while I learn more. You guys understand? So not just I'm gonna focus on futures, I'm gonna be focusing on CFDs as well, and metals, gold, silver, copper, and everything. Let me see just what's copper doing, by the way. Oh, FE market is like shit. No. Copper. Let's see. I don't know why, I just like looking at it, right? Even though you should have DXY over here instead of copper, but you know. So on a daily time frame we don't sorry, on a daily cycle we don't see anything, but okay. It will be too much. I don't want to give out like this. It will be way too much information for you all. I want you to stick to what I'm teaching right now, right? On top of that, yes, all you have to do is just add up the new day or new week opening gap. Do not forget this. Why? Because it's imperative to add up things together. You guys get it? Why am I not seeing this? Huh. Something's wrong. Anyways, gold is trying to, you know, take out. Waiting for 10 a.m. actually. Let's see if we get a CRT or a continuation from here. This candle right here. Keep your eyes on the 2 a.m. candle, right? On this as well. While this is sweeping, this is closing below. Another Kraken correlation, right? And which idea will be more powerful, the CRT one or the sequential SMT one? Comment in the comment section. Let's see if you guys have learned something. The question is this: which idea is stronger, sequential SMT or CRT? Let's see what you guys think. Okay, and I'll wait for your comments. And yeah, I've already told you about waiting for the fourth quarter, and if you're trading here, I don't know, it's up to you. Okay, then that was it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.